In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Google Play Store country. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Play Store and then tap right here at our profile picture. After that, tap Add Payments and Subscriptions here. Then select Payment Methods. Down below you will find more payment settings. You need to get into it, and on that step you will be redirected to payments.google.com. And if you are visiting this site for the first time, you will have to sign in first into your Google account. After that, tap right here at 3 lines, then go to Settings. Here we can select a payment profile. I have already have this profile here, so I'm just gonna scroll down now, and that's where we can easily find country/region. And here we can hit at this pencil icon. Here we can create new profile, hit continue, and that's where we can easily select a different country or region. Just like that, just select a country from that list, just like that, hit add continue, and that's how you can easily set different country to your Google Play Store. All you have to do now is just scroll down to the very bottom and hit add submit to save the changes. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.